Hi everyone, it's Molly. I wanted to do a larger canvas ring pour tonight, so I've done my paint split. I'll list my colors below, but it's phthalo, turquoise, indigo, which is a new color I'm working with, some white, Naples yellow mixed with a little bit of lemon yellow, and some gold. So I'm just going to go ahead and get started. I'm going to save this cup, which I've layered the colors differently, to go down the center and do something cool, but I'm just going to do 2 ring pours right here. I really wanted to try working in some different colors. So here comes my yellow. Where's my white? There it is. You guys, why don't you let me know what colors you're afraid of? Like, what do you never paint with? I've gotten kind of used to yellow, a little, I'll say a little. But mixing yellow with some colors. You know, another color that I actually love but I never paint with is, oh, let me catch this drip, is silver, because I feel like silver takes over a lot of times. And that one kind of scares me too. So I'm gonna do my other one right here. I'm okay if they meet up eventually. This, ooh, I love that indigo next to that gold. Here comes the yellow. Pouring kind of fast. I normally pour a little bit slower because I don't want my colors to really mix together that much. I want my lines to stay separate. Gosh, I was gonna do something like a traveling ring pour down the center and around the sides, but now I'm kind of afraid because I really like how these rings came out. So yeah, silver is another one. I feel like it kind of takes over my pours when I use it. So you guys let me know. What colors are you afraid of? I knew as soon as I let that cup up, that drip was gonna get me. Okay, what do I wanna do here? What do I wanna do? Guess I'm gonna start with just some of the color down here. Yeah, I don't really know how that's going to turn out. I don't really like that. I should have probably just left it the way that it was. But now that I've already done it, it's done. And I wish I had a little bit more. I have a little bit more yellow. So I might do a little bit more yellow. A little bit more white. The rest of my gold. I'm just throwing these colors in here at this point, you guys. This is just for this side over here. I kind of poured that out too fast over there. See how it got kind of blobby over there? And I hope that the glared, okay, good, you guys can see it well. Okay, so I'll be out of camera for a little bit because I'm gonna spin these around, but try to get as much in camera as possible. Side over there. Spin this back around, try to keep my shape a little bit. Okay, try to bring my paint back to the center, and that will stretch out my ring a little bit. Oh, I've got a little blob down there in the bottom. I'm gonna go off to this side. I know you guys can't see it, just give me a second. Ooh, almost there, almost there. Thank goodness I had this on the bottom. Wipe my hand. And I'll fix these sides later. I always say that, and then I turn around and I fix them right then and there. Okay. Last little corner up here to get. Oh, geez. I'm getting paint all over me, guys. Okay. And I want to get those blobs out. I'm gonna want to make sure it's still in focus. And I'm gonna try to tilt towards you guys again, down this way this time. Down here and around. What's happening? I can't see. You guys tell me. Okay. So I almost lost my one on this side, but I kind of like that it kind of shoots across over there. You know, I was gonna wait to do my sides, but I had people commenting like, your sides aren't done. So I'm like, people, I'm fixing them. I really like this color combination together. Actually, oh, I like how that ring, can you guys see that right there? How that ring right there, how it went off the side. It's really pretty. Okay, let me see here. What else do I need to do? I'm barefoot tonight, so I don't want to step in any paint. Man, I think that's it. Kind of wish that one went off that side a little bit, so they could be like asymmetrical, but symmetrical. And I didn't even mean to do it, but I love the gold stripe that's down the center there. Oh, I really like this one. All right, let me wipe my hands so I can show you. Okay. Oh, it's got a little bit of a glare. I'll come from this angle. So there's my sides. And that is the center. Look at that. Gosh, my shadow's in the way. Okay, hold on. I wanted to get a better angle. Oh, I think this is so pretty. Look at that line down the middle of the gold. So that is what she looks like. There's the lines in the center. Very cool. All right, thank you guys for watching. See you later. Happy painting. Bye.